I'm Don Cooper, the CEO and founder of Innovator, and today's session is part of a series that we're offering on above ground storage tank repairs. And today we are talking about the forge bonding repair method.
Pontoons are common. It's another high stress point. Anytime you have a rigid object meeting a flexible tank roof, can be a problem. We've repaired tanks that have these large barrel-shaped pontoons welded all over the roof, and where the roof meets the pontoon, that's typically where we see defects. Cracked is common, or corroded and cracked weld seams. This one actually was corroded and cracked. Sometimes it's where the vertical wall meets the roof. Same thing, very similar repair. We have polymers. That's what the black is showing here, and it's the polymers that are under the gasket. So in this case, I believe this design had a full sheet gasket. It ran all the way horizontally and then went up onto the tank shell. Slotted holes so we can force these plates into the corner, and then we torque it down. Works beautifully.